In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal settings in Jira Cloud. Whether you're adjusting your notifications, changing language preferences, or updating your profile picture, these steps will ensure your Jira experience is tailored to your needs. Let's begin by navigating to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find your avatar or profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Personal Settings. This is your gateway to customizing how Jira works for you on a personal level. Now that you're in the Personal Settings section, we'll go through customizing your preferences. A key part of this is setting your preferred time zone. It's important to have the right time zone configured as it affects the timing of your issue notifications and any time-related features within Jira. Make sure you select the time zone that matches your actual location or working hours to avoid any confusion. Next, let's talk about the language setting. Jira offers the flexibility to change the interface language, which is incredibly helpful if you're working in a multilingual environment or if English isn't your preferred language. Simply choose the language that you're most comfortable with, and Jira will adjust its interface accordingly. Moving on to your watch settings, this is where you have control over which issues you receive notifications for. It's crucial to manage this properly to ensure you're not overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. You can select the specific projects and types of updates you want to be notified about, helping you stay informed on the issues that matter most to you. Email notifications are another critical piece to get right. Here, you can customize how you receive notifications for issue activity. Maybe you prefer a daily summary rather than immediate updates, or perhaps you want instant alerts for high priority projects. Whatever your preference, this setting allows you to choose how Jira communicates updates to your inbox. Speaking of projects, you might have different notification needs for different ones. Jira allows you to set specific notifications for each project you're involved in. This level of customization is perfect for those juggling multiple tasks and wanting to prioritize communication channels accordingly. Lastly, let's look at other profile details. In the sidebar, you have the option to select your avatar or profile picture. Click on Manage Account and you'll be taken to your Atlassian account settings. Here you can update personal details, such as your profile picture or username. Keeping these details up to date ensures that your information remains relevant and recognizable to your team members. By following these steps, you will have a Jira experience fully customized to your preferences, making it easier for you to focus on the work that truly matters. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.